and I'm going to show you how we were able to close $5,200 in retainers in 4 days. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name's Elliot Drake. If you're new here, I run a social media marketing agency called House of Influence. And the purpose of this channel is to teach you guys how I run my agency, teach you the ins and outs, and then teach you all about this online business. So in this video, it's going to be pretty special because it's something that just happened, and I'm going to show you how we were able to close $5,200 in retainers in 4 days. So this is how we've done it. So this is something that I didn't plan to do, it just happened. And I'm gonna bring Mr. Gage. Gage, come here. So this is Gage Walker. I've known him before. You're super tall, dude. You're like,
yeah, I gotta bend down a little bit.
But so I met Gage a long time ago. We've been friends for a long time. I'm actually dating his girlfriend's sister. So like we just met, and so we hosted a mastermind here in Indy a couple months ago. And Gage came and helped film and learned a bunch of stuff. And so the key thing that happened there is where we indoctrinated him and showed him how easy it was and how he could also go and start a social media marketing agency. And so it was kind of a bird's eye view. He didn't know how to run ads yet. He didn't know everything. He's still learning. But unlike a lot of people, he went out there and just started closing. And so the unique thing about Gage is he has been, I'm not even going to say the niche because it's going to add competition, but you guys would get the point of this, is that he has been doing a certain sport for a very long time, and he has lots of sponsors inside of there. So he knows a bunch of business owners. And so he went and just started trying to close them and started setting up meetings, but then realized, hey, I don't know how to do this, right? But that's cool because he's just gaining experience trying to land clients and then learn along the way, which that's what I say. Most people get stuck on like, I don't know how to do this, so they get frozen and never go out and try to do things. And so what he did was he leveraged our relationship, came to me, he's like, hey, I have this guy that I'm ready to close. Will you come with me and we can try to close them? And so we went to one meeting and basically closed the guy and on the deal because he referred it. So let me talk about the message here and how you guys can utilize this. It's basically inbound marketing. So inbound marketing is when clients come to you and then you sell them. Instead of you cold calling and reaching out, inbound marketing is so much better because it puts you in the power position. And so whenever Gage referred me to those clients, they didn't realize that Gage was working for me. And so he immediately added me authority because these business owners already trusted Gage, and so they automatically trusted me because it was a referral from somebody that they trust. Does that make sense? So think about inbound marketing as like a doctor's model. Whenever you go into the emergency room, doctors aren't pitching you on what your problem is. They aren't sitting there like, hey, do you need a heart transplant? We got hearts on sale. They're not, right? You come in there with a clearly defined problem, they diagnose your problem, and then they help you. And it's the same thing with inbound marketing. Whenever a business comes to you with a clear problem, which is they need social media marketing, they want to grow their business, they want to influence people, whatever they come in on for the reason they want to use Facebook ads, they're coming to you like a doctor's model. So you sit back, this is what we do, this is how we can help you, and then it's like clockwork. Like it signs up. That's how we've been able to close $5,200 in retainers. So the message and the strategy that you guys can use is if you already have the knowledge and you're struggling to land clients, find somebody who is already indoctrinated into a specific niche and knows a lot of business owners and have them refer your agency to them. And so be like not even mention that they work for you or there's a referral, but give that person a incentive by saying like, hey, if you send me clients and land a deal for me, I will give you this amount of money, right? And if they want to actually become an employee and work for you, or just become a partner, like Gage is going to become a partner of House of Influence because of this, and then bring them on. Or if they don't want you, they just want to refer you and make money, then just offer them basically offer them, say like $500 per client that you close for me, whatever it is. because then that allows you to right away get inbound marketing, which closes all the barrier of you trying to hurry up and land those, clients, and then you have case studies, right? This is just a really unique way, because we were able to close $4,200 in retainers in 4 freaking days, and all of you guys can do it too. People that don't know a lot, they don't have to be an online business. They just can be random people. Like Gage he just got started, but he just happens to know all these businesses, and he doesn't know how to serve them yet. So he found somebody who did know how to serve them, and so now him and I are going to partner on it, because he offered me value, and so he's going to get paid, and then also I'm going to train him to where he can also do the same thing. So this video is just basically to show you guys that you can do this, that you guys can break the barrier of inbound marketing, and go and land clients by using other relationships of people who already are indoctrinated inside a niche. Have them refer you either, and then pay them basically a referral fee for doing so. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this helped you in your journey to start your marketing agency, land more clients. This channel is just me giving back. Like on a daily basis, I run a marketing agency with employees and clients and everything. And this YouTube channel is for you. It's, I like making videos, it's fun, but I just want to add you guys value. That is my goal, and that is my mission. And so if you like this and you have problems, comment down below what videos you want to see, and I will make those videos for you. So thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Elliot Drake and our special guest, Mr. Gage Walker here. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm a fool for your love.